Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about high protein snack ideas. And if you are a low carber like me, these are going to be right up your alley. I recently upped my protein and saw so many different benefits. I've made a whole playlist on this channel for high protein everything and anything. So definitely check that out after you watch this video. Today we're gonna specifically be talking about snacking. If you are new here, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. A lot of people that watch my channel right now are not even subscribed. So make sure you hit that red button down below this video and also like it, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy high protein content. But my name is Kathleen Hart. I'm a mindset and weight loss coach. I coach people every day to figure out their healthy lifestyle of their dreams and get yourself there. So a lot of that comes with the mindset part of weight loss, which no one is even talking about. Why is no one talking about mindset with weight loss? It's everything. If you're finding that you're stuck and you're struggling in your weight loss journey and you're not working on your mindset, that's it. That's the only thing you have to do to make this journey easy, effortless, and fun. So anybody wanting to work with me or wanting to learn about my mentorships, the links are all down below this video in the description box. So we're gonna start this off with a bang. I'm gonna tell you about one of my absolute favorite snacks, and it's kind of a dupe for peanut butter filled Ritz crackers. So if you guys have ever seen that before, I'm sure you have. They come in the mini version, they come in the bigger version, but this is a dupe for that. It tastes just like it. Might be a little weird, but trust me. So you're gonna wanna start with Parm crisps, and then you're gonna put some peanut butter on them. I know, Parmesan cheese and peanut butter, like what am I doing? But trust me, please try this. If you are one of those people who likes that snack, the Ritz cracker peanut butter combo, you will absolutely love this. It is a high protein snack. Parmesan has protein, the peanut butter has protein, and it's very easy to portion out these ingredients. If you're only gonna have a tablespoon of peanut butter and then 5 or 6 Parm crisps, you know exactly how much protein is in that, exactly how much carbs. You can even track the calories too. It's very, very easy to track. So highly recommend this one. I think it's absolutely delicious, and don't knock it until you try it. To stick on the peanut butter train, let's talk about Fluffernutters. Anybody else love them? Because I do. I know a lot of people will use peanut butter as a snack in between meals. It is a perfect snack because it's got fat and it's got protein. So it will fill you up and it will keep you full in between meals. But let's make it fun. Let's make a Fluffernutter out of it. And this might seem really simple, but portion out your peanut butter onto a spoon, add that whipped cream on top, take a bite. If you don't taste Fluffernutter, comment down below, because that tastes just like a Fluffernutter, and it is low carb, and it is high protein. Peanut butter is a great snack to utilize in between meals. Highly recommend. Yeah, these first two are just some of my favorites. They're my go-tos right now. So you may have seen me talk about this next snack in a previous video, and it's one of my favorites too. I might say that a couple times during this video. I just love these snacks. Yogurt bark. Make yogurt bark with a high protein yogurt. I recently made it with the ratio coconut yogurt, added in some cashews, added in some unsweetened coconut flakes. The stars have aligned. This is one of the best snacks ever. And yogurt bark is great because sometimes I plow through a bowl of yogurt because it just tastes so good and I eat it in 2 seconds. Yogurt bark, it's colder, obviously. It's harder, you gotta chew it. It takes longer to eat. It's perfect if you're looking for like a cold sweet treat, like an ice cream type treat or an ice pop. This is perfect for the end of the night. So highly recommend making this. Make it with anything and everything that you like. You like cherry yogurt, you like strawberry yogurt, vanilla, you like different kinds of nuts, you wanna do low sugar, no sugar chocolate chips in there. Yeah, coconut flakes. There's just so many things you could put in there. Like, make this your own with whatever flavors you like, and trust me, it is a great high protein snack. Just make sure you're using a yogurt that's got protein. And then if you add nuts, even more protein. It's just so good. And you could also make this as a snack without putting it in the freezer. Like yogurt and nuts, that's a great snack too, but it's definitely more fun when it's ice cold. You guys, my next snack I'm gonna show you are these BHU bars. I had one in every flavor. My husband ate them. So now I'm just gonna show you these 2 flavors, but these are the BHU food bars. I have the strawberry cheesecake cookie dough and the, chocolate chip cookie dough. These are the 2 flavors that I have. I absolutely love the peanut butter chocolate chip cookie dough. These are so good. The reason why I like these so much is because they taste amazing. There's no sugar alcohols, which I love. They're a decent amount of calories. and good protein. So the cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake is 3 net carbs and 10 grams of protein. And the cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough is 2 net carbs and 11 grams of protein. So these are just amazing. They do have to be refrigerated, so keep that in mind. But I do throw these in my cooler when I'm going to Hershey Park. We go to Hershey Park a lot. I live in Pennsylvania, so we go there a lot. And these are great because the best part about high protein snacks is that they're going to keep you fuller for longer. And it's great to like eat a bowl of pretzels, but they're not gonna keep you full. So that's why eating high protein, low carb works the best for me, because when I do want a snack, these types of things, especially everything in this video, are great for keeping you full in between meals. You know what? What the heck? Let's open up the strawberry one. They're a decent size too. That's why I like them. It smells like strawberry cheesecake. Oh my gosh, I love these. Where do I find them? Target and Walmart. Look in the refrigerated section, kind of by the yogurt or like the sour cream is where they're at in my store. Love them. Love every single flavor. This one might be a given, but I thought I would just talk about it real quick. I love having cheese and nuts. And I know that might sound silly, but the different combinations for this snack are endless. What kind of nuts are your favorite? What kind of cheese is your favorite? Make that into a snack. It's perfect for on the go too. I will literally make a little snack bag of some cheese cubes and my favorite nuts, and I will just take it and go. I'm loving these cheese cubes right now. They're so good. You can get them in so many different flavors too. And then for nuts, I love these easy single serving nut mixes because you know exactly how much protein is in them, exactly how many calories, how much carbs. It's so easy to portion out. And if you are tracking with an app, tracking what you eat during the day, putting these things into your phone is super simple. So think about that. There's so many cheeses. Do you like Swiss cheese? Do you like Havarti cheese? Do you like cheddar cheese? Do you like mozzarella cheese? Do you like Baby Bell cheeses? Those are so good. Do you like these cheese cubes? They come in all different flavors. Make it easy for yourself, guys. Figure out what you like to eat and then make your meals and your snacks around that. These nut mixes are great, but you could also buy like salted cashews. Oh my God, so good. Or you could get salted peanuts. You could get pistachios, walnuts, pecans. I mean, what do you like? Make it happen. Okay, the next thing is something that I saw on TikTok, but I think it's so fun, is the pepper sandwich. So how I like to make mine though, isn't with mustard like most people do them online. I like to do it with a pepper, and then I will put on some cream cheese, specifically a flavored cream cheese if I have it. So I love chive cream cheese in this sandwich. And before you think I'm nuts, this actually tastes really good. So I had seen it on TikTok for a long time before I actually tried it, because I was like, stop trying to make the pepper a bun. Like, can we all just stop trying to do that? That was my old vibe. Now, I'm like, give me the pepper sandwich right now. But you have to make it this way. This is the way I like it. So you might have to play around with this recipe. I like to do the pepper, the flavored cream cheese, and then I love to use deli pepperoni. Like the big pepperoni, like thin sliced from the deli. I'm watching them slice it, take it home, pop that onto my pepper. OMG. So delicious. So you're getting protein from the pepperoni, you're getting some fat from the cream cheese, you're getting a little bit of protein from the cream cheese too, but it's just such a good snack. I just love it. I love it. If I'm at home, if I want something that's gonna fill me up, that is what I will have. So that is an awesome snack, especially if you're on the go. Remember, fat and protein, that's the key. Stay fuller for longer. Who doesn't love pizza? Let's make pizza a thing as a snack, right? But how do you do that, and how do you make it easy? Already on my blog is a recipe for appetizer pizza bites, but you could make these as a snack, guys. I do this all the time. My kids love this. You can make this and pull this together in a few minutes. Super easy, but all you're gonna do is put some cheese on a Silpat or parchment paper, bake that in the oven with some spices and some pepperoni in the middle, and then dip it in some marinara sauce. This is absolutely delicious. Again, a very easy thing to track. You track how much cheese you're putting on in each bite, 1 piece of pepperoni. This is good for the smaller pepperoni too. And then you put a little bit of spices on there to make it taste like a pizza. And then you know exactly how much marinara sauce you're eating. Easy, so easy. And it's a great warm snack. If you're looking for something that's not cold, like you want something warm, like a comfort food type thing, these pizza bites are easy and so good. I will link the recipe for that down below, of course. There's also a dedicated YouTube video on my channel already showing how I make that. But the best thing is, I like to stay away from overly processed things. I like to stay away from things with sugar alcohols. All of those things are going to cause you to want more of them and possibly have a crash situation where your energy will tank. So right now, if you are eating a lot of things that contain sugar alcohols, I would suggest you cut down or cut out. I was in the same boat a couple of years ago when I was trying to lose weight. I was like, oh, look, there's keto ice cream and there's keto clusters and then there's keto cereal and then there's keto cookies. And I was like, I can eat all these things because I'm low carb. So all these things work. All keto products are not created equal. So in this case, I would say if you are eating things with sugar alcohols, maybe cut back on them so that you can feel better. I was eating certain keto things because they were treats to me, and I would get massive headaches right after I would eat them. And I'm like, wow, this is just, I know this isn't good for me. So I cut back and it actually felt a lot better, but I saved a lot of money because a lot of those keto things are pretty expensive. And these things that I listed here today, peanut butter, yogurt, what else is on this list? Peppers, pepperoni, like these are all real foods and they're not as expensive as a box of Atkins treats. You don't believe me? Go check your store. But you could easily do low carb or keto lifestyle and keep your protein high and not break the bank. Just eat real foods. This bar is probably the most processed thing I have, and it's not even that bad, and it doesn't have sugar alcohols. So just a thought. If you guys are looking for some more snack ideas, let me know down in the comments. I could easily do a part 2 from this video, but I hope I gave you guys some good ideas for high protein, low carb snack. Make sure to follow me on Instagram where I show a lot more of my life and my journey and what I'm eating every day. You guys will love it. If you love this channel, definitely follow me over there. But until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you really soon with a new video. Bye guys.